The slit seal is a pre-cut self-closing plate cover for 96 well plates to prevent solvent evaporation and cross-contamination. Slit seals are easily placed on 96 well plates with an adhesive back, but there's no adhesive directly over the well spot. Simply peel off the red tab that covers the adhesive. The slit seal easily aligns with any standard 96 well format. Remove the second protective film. The slit seal has a unique triple layer design for easy insertion and withdrawal of pipette tips and sample needles with minimal friction. The inner silicone layer provides a self-closing seal, making it useful for use with laboratory automation and liquid handling devices.